Hello, in this video, I want to teach you how to register on the TradingFinder website for OctaFX. After logging into the TradingFinder website, you select the brokers, then click on the OctaFX broker, and hit the Go to Website option. You will enter the website, click on Sign Up, and in this section, you enter your email and the desired password, which is recommended to include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, you check the box to agree to the website's terms and click on Sign Up. After clicking Sign Up, a security question will be asked, and you need to select your desired answer. You will wait, and an email will be sent to you. After the email is sent, you go to your email. Click on the Okta email, and then click on the Confirm Email section. After clicking on the Confirm option, you will enter this page where you fill in your information in 3 steps. In the first step, you provide your first name, last name, country, phone number, and date of birth. The next question asks if you have experience in trading or not. You answer and click on Continue. In the second section, you choose whether your account will be standard, or you can manually use the settings to select which options to activate. Later, as you can see, you can add additional accounts, and then you click on the Create Account option. In the third section, your information is displayed, and you click on the Dashboard option. And regarding your account, goodbye.